Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are making hot dogs breakfast, three different ways. They are gorgeous and delicious. Let me show you how to make it. Let's start by making small cuts along the hot dogs. I placed a chopstick on each side of the hot dogs so I won't cut all the way through. You guys can tape it down if you need to. After slicing the hot dogs, we're going to make a ring like this. This is what we need. To connect the two ends, we're going to just go ahead and use a toothpick. And look how gorgeous this look. That is awesome. That's what we are looking for, guys. Super simple, but beautiful. So I'm making four, and this is the last one. I'm going to be using some vegetable. I have some spinach. I have an onion, a tomato, and cheese. So I'm going to be using a quarter of the onion, half of the tomato, and this is about 50 grams of the spinach. We're going to be cutting this nice and small. Do the same thing with the onion. We're just going to be cutting the onion in two different shapes, but it's up to you. You see, I'm chopping it really small. And we're going to do the same thing with the tomato. I'm just going to use about a quarter of it, and I'm going to be doing the same, cutting it the same way. I'm using mozzarella sticks. And so what I'm doing is I'm cutting it in half and then cutting it again so that the slices will be nice and thin. I'm going to be using four eggs. And what I'm doing right now is just separating the egg yolks from the egg white. This is the last one. This is one of those dishes that, is all about being creative. So have fun in the kitchen, guys. In a hot skillet, we're going to put a tablespoon of olive oil and also a teaspoon of butter. We're going to wait until this melt and it's nice and hot, and we're going to proceed to put in the hot dogs. The idea is to cook the hot dogs about a minute to 2 minutes on each side. It's been about a minute and it's time to turn the hot dogs. Guys, look how beautiful these rings look. Oh, that's perfect. I just wanted a little crunchy on the outside. It's optional. You can cook it a little more or you can cook it a little less. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and put the tomato ring inside the hot dogs, and immediately we're going to proceed to put the eggs. We're going to put some marinade into this. Also, I'm going to be putting a hint of lemon pepper. Yes, lemon pepper powder. I love lemon pepper, so that's why we prefer to put that on top. As you guys can see, that's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm just going to put the lid on top of the skillet so that the steam will cook the yolk faster. It's just a way to speed up the process. Now in each little slice section, I'm going to be putting a small amount of cheese. That is awesome. When it melts later on, this is just perfect. You guys should try this. It's very good for breakfast. It's good for a quick dinner. I mean, this is a whole meal. Hot dog and egg, perfect. Let's cover it so that the cheese get a little softer or even melt if you want. This is definitely one of my favorite ways to eat hot dogs, really. And what I'm going to do is use the egg white because I'm going to be creating like a flour with it. So let me show you. I'm going to be putting a hint of lemon pepper, like a quarter of a teaspoon. And also a quarter of a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. I mean, we need some flavor into this dish. The hot dog is delicious, but we want to make sure that everything around it has some flavor. Now we're just going to go ahead and mix it all together. Now it's time to put this together. So I'm going to start with this design, which is just creating like a little round circle, or you can create a flower, whatever you want. And then we're going to put some of the egg white inside. It may not come out, it may, but you see, didn't come out of the little circle of tomato. I'm putting some white onion, the onion that I chopped because I love onion, and also some spinach. So we're creating a base before we place the hot dog on it. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It looks just like a flower. I love it. Now I'm going to be putting some egg white around the tomato on the outside. That is going to make the illusion of the flower. And it's just fun because that way you don't waste the egg white. Look at that. Perfect, perfect. This is the fresh one out of the three different designs of breakfast hot dog eggs that we are making. Now we are going to be making the second one. This one has bread, and we're going to be taking the inside of the bread out, and we're going to make just the beautiful space right there. Okay, back to the skillet. We're going to put a quarter of tablespoon of olive oil, and we're going to kind of spread it around with a brush, because now we are going to place the bread just like that, because we want to toast the bread a little and also bring some extra flavor with the olive oil to it. About 30 to 40 seconds later, we're going to turn it to the other side, and we're going to put this one together. So I just start with the egg white. On this one, I'm putting about 2 ounces of egg white. As you can see now, when it rises, look how beautiful it looks. So that's perfect. And we are going to start putting some other stuff on top, like the onion, the spinach, and now goes the egg with the hot dog. A little tomato around just for decoration, plus the texture and flavor. It's nice and crunchy with the tomato. Fresh tomato, perfect. Guys, look how beautiful this look. This one is all set. Time to take it out. Look at that, guys. It's perfect. This is the perfect breakfast. Now we're going to put about a quarter of teaspoon of oil in the skillet. We're going to go ahead and use the brush and spread it around. Now this one is special because this is for my husband. And it's up to you. If you want to eat a bigger one, this is what I did. I took 2 slices of bread. I open it in one side, and now I'm connecting both of them. So I'm going to put a little amount of butter in the center so that when I put the egg white, it will be nice coated in the bottom and also give it extra flavor. But this is awesome, guys. It's just fun to make it. Now I'm putting the last of the egg white as a base. See, nothing goes to waste. Now we just let it cook for about 40 seconds so that the egg white get nice and hard. And we are going to go ahead and start putting the hot dogs right on top. Look at this. Oh, my husband is going to love this. He loves it in general. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing as before. We're going to put some spinach, some onion, and all around. And we're also going to be putting some tomato. And definitely, this is a special. So I'm putting cheese. That, remember the mozzarella sticks that I cut it? Yes. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and cover it for about, I would say 40 seconds to 50. So 50 seconds so that the cheese melts a little. And guys, this is just done perfectly. Look at this. The yolk are nice and soft. The hot dogs well cooked. The cheese is melting. Look at this one. This is my favorite because to me, it looks like a flower. Yes, it's beautiful and delicious. Let's go ahead and try them all. Mmm. Wow. Look at that. Cutting into that. You can make it a little softer, the yolk, if you want. I want it like that. That's how I like it. My husband likes it softer than that. But this is how I like it. The one with the bread is perfect because this is like a complete meal. I mean, it's like you don't need any extra bread or any hash brown or anything. This is perfect with the vegetable and the bread, the egg and the hot dogs. You have the carb, you have the protein. And now this is the double one. After my husband tried it first, I'm going to try it just for you guys. Guys, thank you so much for being here and thank you for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my videos, and check the next video on the screen. Thank you. God bless. Let's eat.